Hi folks, my name is Ray Hogan and that's my eBay member ID. I've been on eBay for 13 years and I have a 100% score. Today I want to show you an amp crimper that I have. It's a specialty crimper. It's a 69656-2 crimper. I picked this up used. I don't know much about it. I do know that the ratcheting works fine on it. I'll give you a couple closer shots with the camera in a second. I think I looked this up on DigiKey and it's a $1,200 original crimper. Let's take a look. (69656-2). Here's the head. There's the back. Ratcheting seems to work fine.